So I'd like to talk about AI dahil yan naman talagang usap-usapan ngayon. Merong tinatawag na Salig AI which you
Yes.
started and you're helping Filipino freelancers find better opportunities online. Can you tell us more about that?
Yes, ang Salig AI po kasi is a platform to help you with client acquisition. From marketing to sales, connected na po lahat siya, no? So meron tayong workflow na tinatawag. Dati po kasi, when I started freelancing, lahat po yan manual, isa-isa po. So I send out an email or I reach out via LinkedIn sa potential client pa lang. And then, magsiset po kami ng calendar appointment, magsisend po ako ng link sa kanya to hop into a Zoom call or a Google Meet. Ngayon po lahat yan automated na with Salig AI. So as a freelancer, right, or a business owner, when you're looking for customers online, it's very easy for you now to use ads, and then from ads, mapupunta na po siya sa forms, mapupunta na po siya sa database ninyo, and then you can reach out to them via email, via text, SMS, pwede po yan. You can also retarget them for Facebook ads din. So, automated na siya. And the best part of all, makakakollect ka na rin ng payments. Kasi ang mga katulad natin, or katulad ko na freelancer dati, pag hindi pa tayo registered, mahirapan tayong makakollect ng payments, especially kapag recurring payment siya. Ngayon, it allows you to do that. And of course, we encourage naman din ang mga freelancers na makapag-register ng business. So, Mami N, na-develop siya out of the frustration namin na makagawa ng sistema for freelancers and other business owners to generate sales and marketing online. Kasi yan po yung biggest challenge nila eh. Marunong sila gawin yung skill or mag-deliver, for example, AI service, pero pag market ng service nila or naghahanap ng customers, doon po sila nahihirapan. Kaya we have developed yung Sally AI out of that frustration.